Good morning to all of you, Honorable Director Sir, Co-Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, all teachers and my dear friend. Today I am here to speak on the topic of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Myself Sanjana Kumari, I standard 7th B. Now start my speech. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India movement was launched on Gandhi Jayanti, 145th birthday celebration of Mahatma Gandhi on 2nd October in 2014 by India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The India government administrated this campaign launched by our Prime Minister all across the country. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan cleanliness campaign was run at the national scale and encompassed all cities, districts at both rural and urban level. It has acted as a wonderful campaign to make people aware of the value of cleanliness in Rajghat, New Delhi. The drive for Swachh Bharat was officially launched by our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi and cleaned the street himself at the launch of this mission. It is the biggest cleanliness drive of India ever, with about 30 lakhs government employees, school and college students are participating in these activities. Last but not the least, धरती पानी हवा रखो साफ, वरना आने वाली पीढ़ी नहीं करेगी माफ. इंसान हो तो इंसान वाले काम कीजिए, देश को स्वच्छ बनाने में अपना योगदान दीजिए. थैंक यू.
Respected Director Sir, Co-Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, Coordinator Sir, and teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Misty Mehta, and I read in class 7B. I am going to say speech Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. A Swachh Bharat Abhiyan 5-year camps by the governments from 2014 to 2019. It is launched by Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, on 2 October 2014. Its motives of camp was to street buildings, villages, all of India. A campaign was to generate civic sense of Indian masses. The Abhiyan is divided into two parts: Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Rurals and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Urbans. The Abhiyan is a critical for India. It is a stand on sustainable development. Goal 6, SDG 6, is established of United States. The Abhiyan includes operation like door-to-door collection to their proper disposal. सिर्फ कूड़ा कचरा ही नहीं, जरा अपनी गिरी हुई सोच उठाइए, स्वच्छ भारत अभियान की तरफ एक नया कदम बढ़ाइए. क्लीन इंडिया एंड
ये ठाना है, भारत स्वच्छ बनाना है. Good morning, respected Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, all teachers and my dear friends. Myself, Achal Rana from class 8B. Now, I would like to say a few words on one of the most important topics in India known as Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. This campaign was launched by the government of India to deal with the problem of cleanliness across the country. This campaign is especially towards educating and acknowledging people about the importance of cleanliness about the importance of cleanliness in its surrounding. This campaign was launched as a tribute of Mahatma Gandhi on 2nd October at Rajghat by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, always believed in cleanliness, and once he said that cleanliness is more important than independence. Now, I would like to end my speech with a quotation. स्वच्छता का रखना हमेशा ध्यान, तभी तो बनेगा हमारा भारत महान. Thank you.
First of all, a fantastic good morning, our Honorable Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, and all teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am here to tell us about short speech on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Myself, Lakshmi Rani, from class 7A. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a campaign run by Government of India. This campaign was launched on 2nd October 2014. It was launched by our Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. It was launched on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi's dream was that India should become a clean country. The mission aims to spread awarenesses among people regarding clean lines. The main objective behind the launching this mission is This mission is to make India open defecation free. It is your responsibility to make India clean, healthy and beautiful. So we must join to Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Now I am ending my speech with quotation. मन में रखो एक ही सपना, स्वच्छ बनाना है भारत अपना. Thank you.
A warm good morning to all of you respected directors, sir, principal, ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Myself Pammi Singh from class 8th. Today I am here to present a best message oriented speech about Swachh Bharat. Swachh Bharat means clean Bharat. We all know that cleanliness is next to God lines. Being clean is a good habit. It is not inborn. It can be learned, just as early rising is a good habit too. It is what the dream of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, to see clean India or green India. He himself started to clean the surroundings. To realize this dream, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi followed the footsteps of Gandhiji. He started a campaign of Swachh Bharat or Clean Bharat on 2nd October 2014 at Rajghat to mark 145th birth anniversary of Gandhiji. The aim of Swachh Bharat is a good sanitation. He wished to present our village as models to the whole world. Now I am going to end my speech with a quotation. मन में रखो एक ही सपना, स्वच्छ बनाना है भारत अपना. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. A very warm welcome to all teachers and students present in the assembly. Myself, Tarmin Parveen from class 8. I am here to deliver a speech important of cleanness. So now start my speech. Cleanness refers to a state of being clean. You must have heard a voice saying cleanness is next to godness. Cleanness is related to a spirituality. One who is clean, developed and is mentally strong. We should keep our surrounding clean. Also our workplace should be clean. We should keep our environment clean. We must use practice habits related to personal hygiene such as washing hands, brushing teeth. It will help to keep away bacteria, viruses and illness. We should clean dustbin once in a day. If not, clean dustbin and flies and mosquito causes harmful disease. We should avoid plastic bag. We should use biodegradable material. At last, I am going to wind up my speech with a quote. एक नया सवेरा लाएंगे और पूरे भारत को स्वच्छ और सुंदर बनाएंगे.
Good morning to respected directors, sir, co-directors, sir, coordinators, sir, and principal ma'am. Myself, Sakshi Kumari from class 6B. Today I am present here to delivering a short speech on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is one of the most significant and popular mission to have taken place in India. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan translates to Clean India Mission. This drive was formulated to cover all the cities and towns of India to make them clean. This campaign was administered by the India's government and was introduced by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It was launched on 2nd of October in order to honor Mahatma Gandhi's vision of a clean India. The Clean Lines campaign of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was run on a national level and encompassed all the towns, rural and urban. It served as a great initiative in making people aware of the importance of clean lines. Last, I wind up my speech with a quotation. गंदगी से बढ़े बीमारी, स्वच्छता की करो तैयारी. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I am here to present a speech on cleanliness. Myself, Shivani Priya from class 8A. Cleanliness is an important aspect of healthy living. It is a state being clean, which means free from dirt and germs. Maintaining cleanliness is as important for consume food, drink water and breathing. It considered so important because it helps us to prevent many kind of diseases. We keep ourselves clean as well as surrounding clean. It protects us from bad bacteria and viruses that can make us fall ill. Maintaining cleanliness is as important for us. When we see a place or home which is clean, it gives us visual treat and pleasure. In India, it is said that the goddess Lakshmi, the god of wealth and money, resides where the cleanness persists. Thus, cleanliness and hygiene are also purity in our culture. At last, I want to end my speech with a quotation. कूड़ा कूड़ेदान में डालो, अच्छी आदत को अपना लो. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected director sir, co-director sir, principal ma'am, all teachers and my dear friend. Today I am here to deliver a speech on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Myself Prerna Priyam Sharma from class 7A. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, also known as Clean India Mission, was launched by Indian government in 2014. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has brought about a behavior change in society. It promotes the ideas of cleanliness as a collective responsibility and encourages people to maintain cleanliness in their surroundings. The impact of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has been significant. It has improved to overall hygienic condition and cleanliness and enhanced the spread of quality of life in many peoples. For life of many peoples, there is still work to be done to achieve the goal of a completely clean and healthy India. Now I am going to end my speech with quotation. सुनो गौर से, भारतवासी, मिली आजादी अच्छी खासी, लाभ हो इस आजादी का तब, स्वच्छ और साफ बने भारत जब. थैंक यू.